What makes the Hollings Cancer Center special, I think, is NCI designation. Here in Charleston, the Hollings, we're one of 69 different cancer centers in the country. And what does that mean to most people? What does it mean to me? It's this. A patient comes in and sees a physician, but in reality seeing a multidisciplinary team behind the scenes of oncologists, pathologists, all sorts of physicians, hundreds of scientists making discoveries at the Hollings, in Charleston, in New York, and every other NCI designated cancer center in the United States. So it's bringing all of that together into that one moment that means the most for that patient. That's what NCI designation means to me. I was born in Montevideo, Uruguay, South America. And from there, when I was young, my family immigrated to Canada, Montreal. And from the ghettos of Montreal, we moved out west to Calgary. And from there, somehow made my way over to the US and to here. It has shaped the way I think about challenges. It has allowed me to appreciate different perspectives, different customs, different religions. Bringing it all together with different perspectives, I think, is the answer to some of the challenges we have, and has given me an immense amount of hope that we can actually do the unimaginable. And that, to me, is the cure for cancer. There's just so many exciting research and findings and discoveries right now. I'll pick two. I would say immunotherapy, it is incredibly impactful for the patient. And that means what is being discovered right now by a number of different researchers, probably a team of 10 to 12 different scientists, are understanding the molecules that make immune cells work, improving them so they can be turned back to fight against cancer in our own bodies. It's sort of a very natural way of combating cancer. The second most innovative type of science that is ongoing right now at the Hollings Cancer Center involves understanding of the molecular machineries. What does that mean? RNA and proteins come together to work, make cells work. And understanding that is fundamentally important to the biology of those cells, to the tissues, to us as an organism. And how does it impact cancer? I don't know. And in a way, we are studying cells and bodies and molecules that make them work. For one day, those discoveries will impact some of the therapies. One of our goals here at MUSC at the Hollings Cancer Center is to build healthy communities. So a solution will come from the village, from citizens, from patients, from physicians, coming together, in this case, to do an event where we're going to raise funds through riding bicycles. Not only will it raise funds that are necessary to train and make discoveries, train physicians and make discoveries, but it's also a way of the Hollings communicating with the community. So you'll be hearing a lot more in the coming months and year about how to participate, whether as a rider or as a volunteer, in this movement that is going to be incredibly impactful.